Aloha, my name is Andy. In this video I will show how to install the second hard disk drive in the Toshiba Satellite L450D laptop. So let's begin. I'm Andy, and in this video I will show how to install the second hard disk drive in the Toshiba Satellite L450D laptop. Step 1. I remove the battery from the laptop. Step 2. I remove the memory RAM plastic cover to have access to the optical drive. Step 3. I remove the optical drive from the laptop. Step 4. I remove from the optical drive the fixing plate. Step 5. I install the fixing plate on the caddy. Step 6. I install the hard disk in the caddy and fix it with 2 screws. Step 7. I put back the caddy with the second hard disk in the laptop. Step 8. I plug in the power cable and power on the laptop. Step 9. I enter in the BIOS and verify if it recognizes the second hard disk. Step 10. I power down the laptop and remove the power cable. Step 11. I put back the RAM plastic cover and drive in the screw. Step 12. I put back the battery. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you next time.